Okay, welcome to another edition of CIGAR-B-Q. Forget about it. So today I am smoking my La Gloria Spanish press. We are grilling wings, and I'm making a corn pudding all on the grill. So yeah, stay tuned, and it should be a lot of fun. Wings. Here's the batter. My wife whipped this up beautiful for the corn pudding. So I'm going to wipe some vegetable shortening, grab some with the paper towel, and work it in to the griddle. Try to get a non-stick, want this thing to stick. So there we go. Now this is going to cook pretty fast because I think typically the corn pudding is a little thicker when you do it in the stove at home in the oven. It's a barbecue, baby. La Gloria Spanish press. See it a little bit. So I'm going to put the chickens on the grill. The wings might be done before the corn pudding. So got a few wings here. We got. All I did was put a little lime, salt and pepper onto the wings, because what I'm going to do is put a sauce on them and toss them in a sauce like a barbecue sauce or a hot, I'm going to do 6 barbecue, 6 buffalo style, and I'm just going to toss them in that after they're done cooking. And typically I would parboil wings, believe it or not. This is the first time I'm making corn pudding on a grill, and the last one goes right here, right under the handle. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. I'm going to pour what I can into the griddle, like so. See if the camera can catch that. Nice. Okay, it's going to be thin, looks like. So my wife says that it rises a little bit, but I have a feeling that this is going to cook very quickly. Okay, so the recipe calls for 350 degrees, 375 in the oven for about 30 to maybe 40 minutes. I have my grill is getting up to around almost 250, and what I did is I spread the coals out evenly because I didn't want to have a hot spot and risk, or at least decrease the risk of burning the corn pudding. Yeah, I had to bring out a light because it's getting dark. And it also adds a little bit of drama, right? Who doesn't like drama when they barbecue? I mean, come on. All right, so let's take a look. It's a little early, it's only been a few minutes. But the corn pudding is already starting to bubble. I'm not sure if that's normal, but I know it's hot. Turn these wings over. You really can't see much because these wings are so tiny. They must have been tiny chickens. So it's nice to have this thing on the outside, kind of cool, but it's also, kind of annoying. So, oh, don't go in there. Contaminate my food, you rat bastard. These rat bastards are trying to get away. So this thing is actually bubbling over. So I'm going to see if I can remedy that somehow. Turn this down a little bit, minimize the airflow, and see if that smothers the coals a little bit to bring down the heat inside the grill. And I'll let you know what happens. All right. Drama. Okay, the grill's at about 300. And it's cooking quick. Let me tell you. So with these wings, so I'm going to move some of these guys around to the ones. Try and get a couple of the guys that aren't cooking so quickly. So I do my best around the house to help out. You know, we're home, COVID, and you know, my wife will ask me to clean the house because she's working from home, so I'm not working. So I clean and I do what I can, and so I'll clean the whole house, do the sinks. I'll bleach clean the toilet, the sinks, the tub, vacuum, mop, put things away. And then she'll go, did you put any of that toilet bowl cleaner inside the toilet bowl? I say, no. She goes, well, then you didn't clean. Are you kidding me or what? Is it me? That could be wrong, but I'm not. I mean, you know, 2.5, 3 hours, did you clean the inside of the bowl? Then you didn't clean. Okay. Sorry. I'll try harder next time. So these wings are cooking nice here. I just get a little nervous about this pudding. It's corn pudding. But hey, it's a work in progress, right? We never know. You gotta try different things on the grill, you know? Don't be afraid to smoke a cigar and do this. You know what I mean? I'm gonna cover this up because I can. Smoking my La Gloria here on, you guessed it, CIGAR-B-Q, baby. Some pretty good construction, a little stack of dimes going. It's really starting to level out now. A lot of the moisture has left the corn pudding and is really now starting to bake. I'm not going to leave it on much longer. I think it's been on about 15 minutes so far. I'll probably go the half hour and take it off because the griddle still cooks. It takes a while for it to cool down. Two things that bother me. Well, one thing that bothers me in two separate movies, okay? First, the movie Signs, okay? You have these aliens that come in from who knows where, probably traveled who knows how far, and they don't bring suits. They didn't think water would bother them. They see the Wizard of Oz. I mean, I'm sure with all their alien technology, they saw the Wizard of Oz. So they have this genius race that has the ability to probably bend the fabric of time to travel who knows how far, only to be melted by water. Who did the recon for this mission? You know, was it Gateglap? Is that his name? Well, get rid of him. He sucks. He's terrible. Okay, so moving on. War of the Worlds. Another alien race. Yeah, they were here a long time, but the ships were in the ground a long time, and then they inserted the pilots, right? The aliens were sent in from wherever. I mean, through lightning bolts from another galaxy? How? So whatever. All that technology, an ancient race that has probably occupied other worlds, and they get a cold and die. They die from our germs. Didn't they? You know, maybe they should have like taken one of us and say, hey, these guys are filthy. Let's not go to this planet because they're full of germs. We could die. I think Hollywood needs to look at these scripts over again. You know what I mean? What? Maybe is it me? I could be wrong, but I'm not. Okay, every time I come on the camera, the lighting's a little different. I apologize. These wings, you can barely see them now, but they're looking good. Took the corn pudding off. It's cooling in the griddle. Move these rings around a little bit. Nice. See the wings? Beautiful. My tongue cam right here. They took my thumb, Charlie. They took my freaking thumb. Or it could be, they took my wing and leg, Charlie. They took my wing and leg. He was a good crier, wasn't he? Unbelievable. You ever see the movie Best of the Best? I love that movie. He was so emotional, Roberts. Oh boy. I don't know what happened to him anyway. I don't know. Too many facelifts. You know what I mean? I'm 52. I got no hair. What are you gonna do? What I like, I have hair, but in all the wrong places. But these are looking nice and crispy. I don't know if the camera can see that, but yeah, that looks good. It's like 89 degrees today. And it's humid now after the rain. It's kind of like inhaling a warm mayonnaise. You know what I mean? Brutal. Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno, yeah. You didn't know I could sing, did you? All right, so I think I'm gonna start taking some of these guys off. Look at that, into the bowl. Into the bowl. So they will be tossed. Like some guy Robert I beat up a long time ago, right? I tossed him around, being a wise ass. And that's what happens. Could be wrong, but I'm not. Okay, just a couple off here. Nice, got the flames licking the chicken. I like my chicken well done. Even when I get them like fried wings, I like them done, you know. The only time I eat the fat on the chicken is when I have wings, you know, like this, or, you know, fried wings, whatever. How did you, that's incredible. Holy mac, I made a corn pudding on the griddle in my barbecue, and then I did chicken wings. I'm gonna toss them in a sauce when I'm done. I'm doing a cooking show. Yeah, I've been grilled, it's my 6th episode. That's my neighbor Ed. He came out and he said, I can smell chicken and corn, and he was about 200 feet away, and he knew just by smelling. That guy's, he must be a grill master too. So anyway, it's George Canzaniello for CIGAR-B-Q. Thanks for tuning in, episode 6. See you next time, and I'm going to say goodbye to these coals. Goodbye, coals. And I'll show you the final results. It's a little too dark to do that now. All right, ciao.